you've followed our channel at all in the recent months, you'll know that we got hit by a tornado here in Nashville, and it was devastating for a lot of homes, and we lost lots of trees, had damage to our property and our home. We were lucky that a lot of people came out and they helped us through this, helped us clean up our mess, helped us fix our house. So we had a lot of work to do, and this video is going to show mostly about the house repair, and that includes the siding and the gutters. We had to order a dumpster, of course, to put all the old siding in, and we decided to change out our metal siding that we had, aluminum siding, for Hardie board. So this is our crew disassembling and removing all the old siding and our lovely looking home underneath. I think that's kind of typical probably for these old homes though. So once they got that down, they wrapped it real good, we got it all waterproofed, and they started installing the new Hardie board, which really looks great. We loved it. This is the raw product, so before it was finished and painted, before it was caulked and all that, we had a lot of different options that we looked at. We of course did put in new gutters, but paint colors, we went through several different mock-ups to see, you know, what colors we would like. This is the shed in our backyard that we put new gutters on. But here's the mock-ups that we did on the colors. And we ended up going with white because that's what my wife likes. So here is Brizeldo painting the house, and he does a great job. And we were really happy with how it turned out. That's before the shutters were added, and there's the after. I built some shutters. We'll have a video on that, as well as the landscaping we did, installed new sod.